Well, hello everyone and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I'm going to put together a few simple fall arrangements, and when I'm done, I'll showcase one of them in a beautiful harvest tablescape. Okay, so this one is a small dough bowl. It actually used to be a candle, and I just carved the remainder of the candle out, and now I can use it as a dough bowl to put whatever I want. Okay, so this bowl is just a wooden round bowl, and all I have is some pine cones and some other dried pods, and I'm going to add these leaves and a few other dried elements for a little color. Okay, so for this bowl, you saw I just had pine cones in it, and then I added the picks, and all of my picks I got from Hobby Lobby. And then just to embellish the pine cones a little bit, I added some of the orange slices that I got from Home Goods, just to pick up the color here in some of the leaves, and just to add a little bit more color to the pine cones. And then this is a small dough bowl. I picked these up from a thrift store. They were $3 a piece. I have 3 of them. And I just placed them here in the bowl. And that's all you need. Okay, so my last, well, next to last, not the last, And what I'm going to do here is just place a wreath on top of the bowl, like such. And you can do something like an acorn on the inside. Or I have another idea that I like to do that's just as pretty. So let me show you one more idea with this setup with the wreath and the bowl. Okay, so next I'm going to add this candle holder, and I'm just going to place it in the bowl. Just going to add in some orange slices in here as well, just to bring in a little color. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and set up a harvest tablescape. I just want to share a fun tablescape with you guys that you can use during this harvest season for your family, for something as casual as a fish fry or a chili cook-off. Hope you get some inspiration from it, and I hope to see you at my next video. Bye-bye.